Tea time snacks. Three boiled potatoes. Half cup of boiled mutton peas. 1 cup of maida all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half tsp of red chili powder. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Half tsp of coriander powder. 2 pinches of amchur dry mango powder. 1 chopped green chili. Some chopped coriander leaves. 2 tsps of grated cheese. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add salt as per taste. Add 1 tsp of oil. Combine well. Add lukewarm water gradually and mix. Make soft dough. Soft dough is done. Take a mixing bowl and add boiled potatoes. Add boiled peas. Mash well. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add chopped green chili. Add amchur powder. Add coriander powder. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add grated cheese. Combine all ingredients well. Take dough and make 2 equal portions. Make round shape. Dust some flour and roll. Make round chapati. Add potato matar filling and spread. Add some tomato ketchup and spread. Gently roll it. Cut into pieces. Pinwheels are ready for frying. For slurry, take half cup maida and add half cup water. Give a nice mix. Slurry is done. Heat oil in a frying pan. Dip pinwheels in slurry and fry. Fry on medium flame. Flip on other side, and fry until turns crisp and brown. Remove in a plate. Pinwheels are ready. Tasty and crispy alumatar pinwheels are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.